welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to do a back bend. This is a super easy tutorial and you can learn this in basically a day. Also, if you're part of the crazy fam, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on the bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Then all you have to do is write crazy fam in the comments below and you might get a shout out at next week's video. Before we get started with the actual tutorial, we'll be doing some stretches so we're all warmed up and our back and shoulders will not get hurt because that is really important. So let's get started. So I'll be going to the left and to the right, to the middle, and then I'll see you guys. I will now flex my feet, not point them, and go to the middle. This should stretch right here. Okay, we're done with this kind of stretch. I'll now do the pike stretch. So what you're trying to do, you're trying to get your nose to your knee and just stay there for a few seconds. I will now flex my feet and grab my toes and try to get your heels off the ground. Okay. And then I have butterfly pose. So you're trying to get your knee to the ground and try to keep your feet really close to you. Now it's diamond time. So you're just going to extend your feet farther and put your nose to your feet. If that is too hard, you can also bring them back a little bit. Okay, onto the splits. We'll do a lunge and then you're going to push your hips forward. Try to stay squared with your hips though. Then you will straighten your leg and try to get your nose to your knee. And you will flex your leg, your toes, and just sit back. I'll now go and grab. So since we're in a right lunge, I will grab with my right hand, my left foot, and the back. I will now do the Indian lunge. So how this lunge works, you're going to take this knee, get it off the ground, and just, you're not in the split yet, but you're in a very wide lunge. You're going to take your, whatever split you're doing first, that hand, and put your knee over your shoulder. So it kind of looks like this. I'll now slide into my splits. Try to hold your hands up. Okay, onto the left leg. I will repeat this process with my left leg as well. Okay, now onto the middle split. You're going to be in the middle lunge and put your elbows on your knees and then just sink in one of your shoulders and do it the other side too. You can also do it this way. There's not really a difference. I'll now slide out. I will now do a backwards from your grass to warm up my back. Try to bring your feet as close to your hand as possible. But keep your legs together and straight. And push through your shoulders. I will now do an elbow back bend, which kind of works the same way, but it's still different. So you're going to grab your left elbow with your right hand and do the same thing with your left hand. And just do a normal back bend that you do with your elbows. Keep your legs together and straight. So after doing your back bend, do this stretch so your back will not hurt, because I have not done this. When I first started doing back bend, I didn't do this. My back started hurting really bad after like a few minutes from doing your back bend. So make sure you do this stretch. You can do this for a few seconds or even a minute. I mean, do that for at least 20 seconds for the best, so your back won't really hurt. So yeah, walk down the wall like I'm going into a bathroom. It should kind of look like this. Try to bring your chest to the wall. This will take some practice and you will not be comfortable doing it the first time, of course, but you will get it if you practice a few times. So practice that a few times and yeah, that's just going to be a little harder, but if you practice this walking down the wall thing, a lot of times this will not be too hard. What you're going to do, you're going to have your legs shoulder width length wide, and then you're going to get your arm, you're going down first, and put it like, not on the ground, but low to the ground, and like go down, like, you can put it on the ground actually, and like twist and go into the back bend. This is going to take time, so don't worry about it, because if you practice the walking down thing a lot, this will get super easy, I promise you. This next step, you're going to need a lot of strength, since you're going to go from the back bend, like you're going to lay on the ground, push up to the back bend, and like step up. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, and then if you can do that really good, it's going to be easier doing this step. So this is just a little heads up if you want to be better at that. But it will also help you in this step, back bend, which we're trying to get anyways. So next, go on to the next step. For this step, you're going to need a handstand. Since you're going to pick up in a handstand and then bring your feet like to the wall and then slide down with your feet. So it kind of should look like this. You can do one foot at a time or two. If you do it with 2 feet, you have to be farther away from the wall, otherwise you will most likely hurt your feet. So this is what it looks like with 2 feet. So you're basically in a back bend alone. And if you're trying to get up but can't get over, just try to walk the wall back up and your handstand. So let's do this twice a day. Also, if you're confident enough, try to do the walking thing down the wall, but try to do it your own. So it should kind of look like this. So you're basically walking down the wall, but without the wall helping you. So if you would get scared, you'd grab the wall and kind of look like this. See, super easy. And plus, you're going to get this, I promise you. Also, if you really want to get your back bent, but you're scared you're going to fall on your head, put a pillow right here, and I promise you will not fall on your head. Put a pillow right here just to show you guys what it looks like. So since my head would land right here, I put the pillow right here. See, I'm walking down the wall slowly, and here I'm moving, and if you fall, I will catch you. So yeah, like I told you, you will get it, I promise you. It is super simple if you do these steps every day. Twice a day, 3 times a day, but obviously you won't get it, like if you're super stiff, you will not get it in the first day. But if you practice that, you will get it in like maybe 3 days. I will promise you, you will have this. Good luck practicing. See you next time. And wait, one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it.